Bab Husni Islam al-Mar. Chapter, what is said regarding the superiority of a person who embraces Islam sincerely. حدثنا إسحاق بن منصور قال حدثنا عبد الرزاق قال أخبرنا معمر عن همام عن أبي هريرة قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: إذا أحسن أحدكم إسلامه فكل حسنة يعملها تكتب له بعشر أمثالها إلى 700 ضعف وكل سيئة يعملها تكتب له بمثلها. Narrated Abu Hurairah Raziyallahu anhu, Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, if any one of you improve, follows strictly his Islamic religion, then his good deeds will be rewarded 10 times to 700 times for each good deed, and a bad deed will be recorded as it is. Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 16 narrations from Abu Hurairah Raziyallahu anhu. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our Sirat Mustaqeem channel. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah khair.